Multiplication and division of fractions. Okay, just simply take the fraction. Numerator by denominator is known as the fraction. Okay, just take an example. Multiplication of two fractions. Suppose 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. The product of the fractions is very easy. Numerator multiplied by numerator, 1 into 1, 1, and the denominator 2 into 3, 6. Just simple multiplication. Okay, another example, 3 by 5 into 2 by 7. Just multiply numerator, 3 into 2, 6, and 5 into 7, 35. Take another example, 2 by 9 into 18 by 7 into 1 by 4. This is the multiplication of three fractions. If cut the 2 divided by 4, 2 into 2, 4. 9 into 2, 9 to the 18, 2 to the 4. Again 2 and 2 cancel. The answer is 1 by 7. Simply. Okay. Take another example. 7 by 13 into suppose 3 by 14. Simple. First we have to cut 7. 7 to the 14. Now multiply 3 into 1, 3, and 13 into 2, 26. This is the simple process of multiplication. If a single number is written here, 4 into 1 by 2. This is equal to 2 into 2 to the 4. So 2 ones are 2. The answer is 2. Okay. Now you can. Next, division of fractions. This is a very division of fractions. Okay. So first we have to learn about the reciprocals. Reciprocal of fraction. First we have to reciprocals. Okay. Reciprocal means just numerator. This is a fraction. Numerator by denominator. The reciprocal is denominator by numerator. Okay. This is the reciprocal. The reciprocal of 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. 2 by 1, yani we can write 2. 3 by 4, reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. Okay. This is the reciprocal of 3 by 4. You can write 1 divided by the given fraction. It means we will get the reciprocal. Okay. The reciprocal of 2 by 3 is? The reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Okay. Now the divisions. Okay. The 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 3. How will you divide? In first step, first write the first fraction. Division convert into the multiplication. And the reciprocal of this second number. The reciprocal of second fraction is 1 by 3 is 3 by 1. Reciprocal of this number. You will get the answer 3 into 1, 3, 2 into 1. This is the division. Another 4 by 5 divided by 2 by 7. Same process. Write first fraction. Then multiply. And reciprocal of this number means 7 by 2. Reciprocal of the second fraction. Now cut. 2 to the 4. Now the answer is 7 into 2, 14. 14 by 5. And you can convert into the mixed number. 5 to the 10, 4 remainder, and the 5 divisor. Okay. If a single number, 10 divided by 1 by 3. 10 is divided by 1 by 3. The answer is 10. First number as usual. Convert division into multiplication. And reciprocal of this number. You will get 10 into 3, 30. And another example, 9 by 10 divided by 2 by 10. 9 by 10 divided by 2 by 10. So you can write 9 by 10 first, then multiply and reciprocal of this number 10 by 2. 10 cancel. Then the answer you will get 9 by 2. Okay. Thirteen by 2 multiplied by 20 is 2 into 10. Answer is 130. This is the multiplication. If 13 by 2 divided by 20, what you will get? 13 by 2 into 1 by 20. Reciprocal of 20 is 1 by 20. The answer is 13 into 1, 13. 2 into 20 is 40. This is the division of fractions. Okay.